What's up, you guys? Happy holidays. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 insane winning dropshipping products that you need to be selling here in January 2026. So that way you're not guessing what products to sell, and that way you can start the year off strong. Now, a lot of people think that Q1 is actually a dead period for dropshipping because the holidays are over, but that exact mindset is exactly why beginners end up falling behind. Now, Q1 in fact can actually work to an advantage to a beginner because the market kind of calms down a little bit after the holidays, and on top of that, you're not competing with all the peak season chaos. Anyways, every product on today's list is actually backed by real demand and what's converting right now. So if you want to see what products are working the best right here in January 2026, I want you to make sure you stay to the end of the video and drop a comment below letting me know what questions you have regarding dropshipping. Without further ado, let's hop right into product number 1. All right, you guys, now hopping into product number 1. Now, I saw this product scrolling through TikTok, solves a major problem, especially during these cold months. Now, this is a foldable leg warmer, okay? So you pretty much just put it under your desk, under your chair, whatever the case may be, and it heats up your legs. Okay, so a lot of people, especially 9-to-5 workers, things of that nature, people that are sitting at desks for long periods of the day, would like something like this, trust me. So basically it has like a little knob on the side here where you can change the temperature, comes in multiple different colors, and as you can see, you're going to get the product for about $8.88, and you can easily sell this for $39.99 plus. So here's the video that I saw from a competitor called Calm Heat. This video was actually just posted a few weeks ago and already has over 250,000 views, so you know that there's already organic reach for it. So let's check it out. So it just says this is a game changer for working from home. Again, it'll work really well for in-office workers as well. So you can just choose your heating level, choose the temperature, and bam, it heats up. So really cool. You can store it away. It's not like some big bulky heater, which is pretty popular in this kind of niche. But if we check out the comment section, there's tons of people asking this. Like I said, I need this for work ASAP. Oh my God, I'm always cold. I need this. You know where to find, so on and so forth. Now, their website isn't really the greatest, but they're selling this product for $47, where you could really come in and actually make this 20 times better. I also don't really care for the UPVs. And this section where you're putting your UPVs, it needs to be benefits to the customer. The customer doesn't care that it's a winter bestseller or limited stock. They don't care that it's ultra quiet. They care, how is this going to benefit me as the consumer? So I'm not even going to bore you with the whole website. Their website is not the greatest at all. Again, focus on the benefits of the product. This is a very easy sell, especially again for people that are 9-to-5 workers. People would love this type of product. And as you can see, they end it here with some reviews. They have 153 reviews, 4.9 star rating, and they do have some image reviews, which is really important. You always want to make sure that you have image reviews over just text reviews. Now, before we go ahead and move on, I'm always constantly asked, what dropshipping supplier should I be using in 2026? So I'm going to reveal that to you right now. Now, the supplier that I'm talking about and I'm going to be using all 2026 is called TeemDrop. Now, once you're signed in, you're going to see a really easy to use dashboard, okay? And as you can see from the top, you can source products directly from 1688. If you don't know what this site is, it's basically one of the largest manufacturers in China. So you're going to get factory pricing. Now, if you head over to TeemDrop products, these are all the products that TeemDrop has to offer right now. Now, what I love about this platform is it's so easy to find the product that you're looking for. All I have to do is just take a screenshot. For example, the product that I just showed you, take a screenshot, click on this little icon right here, and I can actually upload an image of the product. And just like that, here is the product right here. So if we click on the listing, we can actually get this product uploaded right to our store. So it's going to show us all the imagery of the product. If you scroll down, you'll get a little bit of a description. You'll get the packing list and what it actually includes. And if we click up here on the top, we'll be able to see the actual variants. So there's a pink version, there's a gray version, and then we can see the actual shipping fee and how much it's going to cost all in to be able to get to the customer. And finally, one of my favorite parts about TeemDrop, and something that not many suppliers actually do, is give you a dedicated account rep from day one. Okay, so you get an account manager. If you come down to logistics settings, it'll tell you the details of your account manager. So I'm going to have it blurred out because it's going to have their number, but basically you'll be able to contact them on WhatsApp and ask them whatever you want. So if you want to ask them about a status of an order, you can. If you want to ask them how to source a certain product, you can. Okay, and this makes you feel like you have somebody that you could contact and not feel like you're at this alone. So if you want to try out TeemDrop, be sure to go down to the first link in the description or the pinned comment. Again, there's literally no risk to try this out. It's 100% free. All right, you guys, now hopping into product number 2. This is a product that you're going to have to run with Meta ads. It's crushing on TikTok Shop. I just don't think you're going to be able to compete with TikTok Shop. So run it on Meta in a different country. So this right here is a eyeliner stamp. So it's basically for women who like to do the winged, whatever the hell you call call it eyeliner. It basically just allows you to stamp it on. So I guess back in the day, from what I asked from my wife, you'd have to like draw it on and it could be uneven. So this solves a major problem for women who want the winged eyeliner. Okay, so as you can see, really good reviews, tons of units sold. There's also a ton of other AliExpress listings as well with thousands of units sold. So there's definitely demand, and you're gonna get the product for 99 cents. So you can do some insane offers. Buy one, get one free, buy two, get two free, buy three, get three free, and still be extremely profitable. So this product doesn't really need too much explanation. You're gonna see a UGC creator here, basically just stamping it on her eyes, making the lines extremely straight, and how easy it is to use, okay? So this product really isn't gonna need much explanation to customers because they're gonna know what this is, and they're going to be actually amazed because, again, most people have had to just actually draw it on, not just stamp it on. Okay, so you get the point. So if we actually click on the TikTok shop, you're going to see the company called Pagevine, and this is why I said that you're going to want to run this on Meta, because you're not going to be able to compete with $9 cost of goods. Okay, so you're going to want to run this on Meta, so that way maybe you can do a buy one get one free for like $19.99 or something like that. But as you can see, it comes in two colors, also has over 166,000 units of this product sold. Again, this is a very simple product, something easy, something a quick buy, quick impulse purchase. And if you didn't know this already and you're looking for content, you can always come to the TikTok shop, and if you scroll down on an actual page, you'll be able to see this see it in action section, where if you scroll over, you're going to see tons of different videos that you could rip for yourself, put it into CapCut and bunch it up and make your own creatives. All right, so product number 3 is something that I just purchased myself. I got targeted by an ad, and I'm like, yo, if they got me to purchase, it deserves to be in top 5. Okay, so this right here is a magnetic wireless selfie monitor screen. So this is for content creators. It's going to make my life so much easier for recording TikToks and Instagram reels, things of that nature. So basically what this is it attaches right to the back of your iPhone. It's MagSafe, so it'll go right onto your phone and it'll stay there, and it allows you to be able to see your face when you're trying to use the back camera. So sometimes I'd want to record videos and using my back camera, but I can't because I can't tell where the hell I am. Okay, so if I have that on my phone, I can see where I am and still use the back camera. If you didn't know, back camera is 20 times better than the front camera. So this is going to be amazing, solves a major problem for content creators, has good reviews, and you're going to get the product for around $29.61, and you can easily sell this for, $40-50. I mean, I paid around $30-40 myself, so that price is definitely justified. All right, so if we check out a couple videos here, this just says record using your rear camera while still being able to see your frame. As you can see him on the camera, and if he flips it behind, he can see what's going on his back camera. Very easy to explain. Most content creators will know exactly what this product does and how it can benefit them, and it solves a huge problem. So here's another one. This is how I record quality content using my rear camera. So as you can see, he's going to flip it around and you'll be able to, again, see it on. So let me go ahead and skip up, and there you go. So very cool, super useful, and definitely something in 2026 that I'm going to be utilizing myself. So if we check out the actual TikTok shop seller, they're selling it for $22.99. So I definitely got overpaid. I got the drop shipping upcharge. So regular $39.99, over 1,500 units of these sold. So you see that there's demand. They're definitely making money with this product. The reviews are pretty solid. This listing only has 30 reviews, so 3.8 isn't really that bad. I'm pretty sure most people are just complaining about a bunch of nothing. And if we come down to the bottom, we'll actually be able to see more content of people using this product, which you guys can use for ads. Again, these type of products, you're always going to want to take them from TikTok shop and run them on Meta. Do not try to compete with TikTok shop sellers on TikTok ads. So product number 4 is something that solves a massive problem for women. If they're trying to apply eyelashes, usually they have to, put eyelash glue. It gets in their eyes, it burns, so on and so forth. So this product solves that. So these are magnetic eyelashes. So it comes in this little case. You put the magnetic eyelashes on this little applicator and you just snap them on and they stay on all day. Okay. Very inexpensive product and something you could probably do a buy one, get one free with. Okay. So do keep that in mind. You're going to get the product for around $3.37. And as you can see, there's definitely a proof of concept. This listing alone has over 10,000 units sold. Now, don't let this deter you from testing it. A lot of beginners think this, oh, there's 10,000 units, that means that this product is saturated. No, there's over 8 billion people on this planet. 10,000 units is baby numbers. That just lets you know that there's actual demand. So the video ad we're going to be checking out right now is for a company called Sierra. I'm going to let it play, but I can't obviously play the music because it does have copyrighted music. But as you can see, she has the applicator. She ends up putting it on her eyelashes, and now she has thicker, fuller lashes. Okay, so that's pretty much the advertisement. A lot of their ads are just very like how to, showing like how to actually apply them, so on and so forth. But this video ad has over almost 1 million impressions. They spent about 1 to 4K on ad costs. It's gotten about 50 to 616 orders. And my biggest takeaway from this is 55 days they've been running this for. If they've been running this ad for 55 days, that lets you know that they're making money. So let's check out their website. So this company's called Sierra. They're calling this the Sierra Magnetic Eyelashes Kit. They're doing a buy two, get one free, which is also a fantastic offer. They're doing this for $29.95, and they do have a shipping fee on the back end. So the key here is to make sure that you have tons of before and afters. If you didn't know, having like something like this in your product slider on the top fold is actually extremely good and helps with conversions. I always make sure that I have some sort of GIF of like before and afters, especially if I'm selling a product like this. But as you can see, they have like a slider here that also is like a before and after, and just being very like conscious of explaining exactly what this is going to do for the customer and how to actually use the product. Now, the only flaw to their website, I would honestly say, is like having real reviews of the product here. It's more just text reviews. I mean, they have some testimonials here on the top, but like, I mean, these are just pictures of women. I mean, I could have just got ChatGPT and put that on there. That doesn't mean that these are real testimonials. For the fifth and final product, I wanted to leave you guys with a Valentine's Day themed product, because if you're trying to sell Valentine's Day products, you need to start selling them now, not when February comes. Okay, so this product comes up each and every single year. It's a proven winner. Okay, and this is basically just a to my wife necklace. It comes with this card where it basically just says like a sweet message. It comes with a necklace, and there's tons of different versions of these as well. So there's like a to my daughter, or to my wife, or to my girlfriend. There's tons of different ones, so you can have them all on your site. And again, it just comes in a nice gift box with a light. Okay, it's a very simple product, and the advertisements for it are very like sentimental. Okay, so it really triggers that emotion to want to purchase. And you're gonna get the product for around $12.50. And for a Valentine's Day gift, people are willing to spend, okay? So you can easily sell this for $30, $40. All right, so the company we're gonna be checking out is called Bay & Friends, and they've been running this product already for 45 days, so they're hopping into that theme early. But again, this product could be a gift year round, but they're already gonna be prepared once Valentine's Day comes around, because they've already validated their winner. And this product has gotten an estimated 60 to 598 orders, and they're running this product in Australia. So maybe you take it to a different country, maybe Canada, United Kingdom, something like that. But let's go ahead and play the video. It does have copyrighted music, but it's so simple. So it's basically just somebody opening up the box, and it has the nice message with the actual necklace. It says, imagine your husband bought you this. And it has very like sentimental, like romantic music in the background. This product doesn't need any explanation at all. And this is why an ad's so simple. Like there's literally nothing to this advertisement at all. It's very simple, same shot the entire 38 seconds, and that's it. So if we check out the competitor's website, they're selling this for $59. And let's be real, I would pay $60 for this. Why not? It's Valentine's Day. People are willing to, to spend more money, but they're going to be making a pretty good, penny on these products. Each one is probably going to give them at least $25 to $30 in profit, but their website is garbage. Okay. They have a ton of just static images. You want to have GIFs on your site, guys. People do not want to see static images the entire way. They want to see the product in action. And then you never want to have your product specs and things like that laid on your site. Like this is just sloppy, but they do have reviews showcasing the product, which is kind of nice. And one thing I recommend if you're selling like Valentine's Day products is to have a frequently bought together section. This is going to really help you boost your AOV. And with this niche, it's super easy to be able to bundle different products. So maybe you have the wife necklace, but you also have, maybe you can find a wife bracelet, right, to go with it, the shipping protection, the gift bag, rushed order, because obviously people are going to want their order expedited to them because they're going to want to get it by Valentine's Day. Okay. And if you see, add all these products to the cart, it's going to be $82. And it's a really good way for you to be able to up that average order value. All right, you guys, so that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy and that you took some value from it and that you found some products that you could potentially test. Now, don't sleep on Q1, guys. Just because the holiday season is over does not mean that Q1 should be slept on. If anything, this is when all the new year, new me people come out, right? And they're willing to spend more money to be able to, buy products that are going to benefit their life coming into the new year. So if you enjoyed the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you can drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And if you're somebody out there that's struggling with dropshipping and you just need a roadmap, somebody to basically tell you exactly what you need to do, I want you to go down to the description and check out Unlimited Ecom Academy, which is my full A to Z dropshipping program. It comes with a training, it comes with a private community, it comes with support and everything that you need to be able to launch and scale your dropshipping business. So yeah, if you're interested, be sure to go down to the description. And without further ado, again, Happy New Year. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.